Hey, what's up? Here's a bunch of ways you can use your credit card the right way. If you don't agree with anything that I say in this video, or if you feel that I've missed out on something, do let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, let's get into it. I want to start this off with something that's very important but not a lot of people talk about, and that is do not take your credit card just because a salesman sold it to you. You need to do a lot of research and find the right kind of card for you. There might be a lot of terms and conditions that are being skipped over when they are trying to sell the card to you, and there might be a lot of other cards that might actually be more suitable to you than the one being sold to you. So be very careful in choosing the right card for you and don't just pick something up because the salesman told you that it's the right card for you. Now, speaking of choosing the right card, there are lots of different types of credit cards that offer lots of different types of rewards. If you're the kind of person that would be benefited by a cashback card, then go with the cashback card. But there are also other types of cards. There are cards that give you discounts on utilities. There are some cards that give you discounts on fuel if you drive around a lot. There are a lot of different cards that give you discounts on restaurants if you're the kind of person who likes a good night out and a nice meal. If you're the kind of person who travels around a lot, maybe for work, maybe for pleasure, then there are cards that offer you miles as rewards. And of course, there are various other cards that might be perfect for your needs. So make sure you choose the right kind of card for you before you settle on a credit card. The next point I'd like to make is that the annual fee that you pay on your credit card might actually be good for you rather than going for a free for life credit card. I know, that's shocking, right? But here's the thing, the cards that do make you pay an annual fee usually tend to have better rewards than the ones that don't have an annual fee. Your free for life credit cards definitely have lesser benefits than the ones that are paid. So again, make sure you choose the card based on your spending. If you're spending 2000 dirhams a month, you're probably better off going for a free for life credit card. Whereas if you are spending about 30,000 dirhams a month, then you're probably better off going for a credit card that does have an annual fee where you can take advantage of the benefits, and your benefits will add up to way more than what you're spending on that annual fee. So keep that in mind. It's all about the big picture. Don't look at the 500 or 600 dirham annual fee when you can be earning 1000 dirhams more just by taking a paid credit card. Should you have multiple credit cards, one credit card, or no credit card at all? This is the next question that I would like to pose to you. Multiple credit cards might be suitable for people who are into a lot of different things, and these different credit cards can take advantage of your various different activities. Like I said earlier, maybe you travel a little bit, maybe you drive a lot, maybe you like to dine out, but keep in mind that you should also be the kind of person who keeps track of everything. You are very organized and you make sure that you pay everything on time. A single credit card might be right for you if you're the kind of person who wants to take advantage of those credit card rewards but don't want to be too hassled by keeping track of multiple cards and your spending is not high enough for you to warrant having multiple credit cards. And of course, having no credit card is the right option for you if you're the kind of person who's going to overspend and cannot control yourself, and if you're not responsible enough to pay off your credit cards on time every single month. Now, keep in mind that a lot of these credit cards do have a minimum spend limit, which means that you need to spend a minimum amount every single month for you to be eligible for any of these rewards. So don't be in a position where you're just spending to reach that minimum limit. If you're choosing a card that has a very high minimum spend limit and is well over your budget, then that is not the right card for you. So keep that in mind. Likewise, most of the cards also have a maximum on their reward, a ceiling on their rewards that they offer. So if you're going to spend 30,000 dirhams and your card is offering you 2% cashback, for example, then you might be thinking, yes, I'm going to earn 600 dirhams every single month. But here's the catch. That card might only offer you a maximum of 300 dirhams per month as cashback. So all of a sudden you're not earning 2%, you're only earning 1% as a whole for the month. So keep in mind and make sure that your cashback is not capped, and if it is capped, it's at the right limit for your spending. A lot of credit cards offer you cash on card, which means that you can use your credit card as a debit card, in the sense that you can go to the ATM machine, insert your credit card and withdraw cash. But keep in mind that this cash is not free. Not only are you going to be charged interest on every single minute after your cash withdrawal until your payment is fully done, you're also going to be charged a fee just for withdrawing cash, even if you pay it off in the same day. So I would like to ask you to please not take cash on your credit card if there is another way out, because it's really going to hurt you financially. And speaking of cash on card, keep in mind that you can make a lot of investments using your credit card, and you, without even realizing it, might be taking the cash on card option technically by using your credit card to invest. So I would highly recommend that you use your debit card for investments and not your credit card. And if I wasn't clear, I mean that your credit card company or bank might consider your investment as a cash on card, cash advance from card, if you use your credit card for investments. So be careful on that. Now, you might have heard of terms like balance transfer and installment plans on your credit card balances. I would like to request you to be careful with these things, because a lot of times you might have heard that there is a 0% installment plan. Please also make sure that there is no processing fee, because a lot of time there might be a 0% installment plan, but you are still paying quite a hefty fee as a processing fee to enable that installment plan. Balance transfer basically means moving your balance from one card to a different card. Installment keeps the balance in the same card, but essentially both of them do the same thing, which enables you to pay your balances over a few months in installment. If you do want to go for it, which I don't recommend that you do, but if you do want to go for it, make sure it is zero interest and zero processing fee, and there is no additional charges that you're overlooking. Please do make sure that you pay off your cards on time. Check your statement every single month in detail. Make sure there are no charges to your statement that were not authorized by you, and make sure that your payment is done a few days before the due date mentioned on your statement. Not only do people not realize charges being done on their credit card, they also end up paying a lot in interest and fees when it comes to not paying the card on time, being over the limit, and so on. And as someone who's watching Boss Your Money, I wouldn't want you to spend anything more than you have to. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. My name is Kenneth. You're watching Boss Your Money. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.